Back the vehicle onto the ramps. I just think ramps are more safer than jack stands. Then you pull the carpet back from the trunk, and there's two 13 millimeter top mount nuts that you'll remove with a socket, preferably. You can use an open end wrench too. Sockets are just quicker. Then loosen and remove the 18 millimeter bottom mount bolt, and it's the same for left and right, of course, and right side. I carry a part of a pipe to slide on for more leverage. It works very well. You can get any piece of pipe, or you can have one cut at a scrap yard, and then remove that bottom nut, and you just simply jiggle it from the bottom and just yank it, and it should come out from the top. It's a top mount, and there's the bottom mount. Next, we want to remove the hardware and transfer any usable items to the new strut. Install the strut dust / water boot on there, because that's just made out of plastic. That's still good. This absorber, foam absorber, was kind of rotted, so I didn't really use that. This is the new strut. Just remove the top mount hardware. It's a 13 millimeter bolt mount. It's not studded. This is a 17 millimeter nut here, but the hardware that I took off the other one will be installed on this. It's a top, and here's the bottom. That's where the 18 millimeter bolt goes. And the top visible from below is two 13 millimeter nuts, and there's the bottom 18 millimeter bolt on top. Here's the 18 millimeter bolt. That's just showing installation. That can be turned on either way. You want to put some anti-seize on the threads.